Hello and welcome to CloudFolks HUB. My name is Bhavesh Adara. Now you have clear idea about application integration. Now you know that there are two systems and these two systems can communicate with each other using application integration services. But this communication is not fixed. There are different types of communication, and in this video we are going to talk about these two different types of application integration communication, synchronous and asynchronous. So let's start. I'm going to start with introduction. Now we understand that when two separate systems or microservices need to talk to each other, we use application integration. But communication does not happen in one fixed way. Different applications and microservices have different needs, so they require different styles of communication. That's why AWS provides many application integration services, each designed for a specific communication requirement. To make this process simple, we can divide all communication methods into two categories. One, synchronous communication and asynchronous communication. In this presentation, we will understand both types with simple example and AWS services. So, what we are doing, we are going to start with synchronous communication. Introduction of synchronous communication. Synchronous communication means real-time communication. One service sends a request and wait until other service replies. Means I am talking with you. Whenever I am going to send you any message, you have to reply me. And once you reply this, I can go ahead. Right? So in synchronous communication, two applications are actually communicating with each other. And when sender is sending any message, it is actually waiting for the reply. Now, based on this reply, it can take next decision, right? It is just like a phone call. You ask a question and stay on the line until you get answer. Now, what is the use case of synchronous communication? I am actually giving you a real example. When a user clicks pay now, the order service sends a request to the payment service. Please process this payment right now. After requesting this, order service is waiting for the payment status, right? If the payment status can be successful, can be unsuccessful, but based on the answer, order service can take decision. Okay, so in this case, synchronous communication must be there. The order service cannot continue unless the payment service replies with payment successful, payment failed. So, the order service must wait for payment service response. This is exactly what synchronous communication means. One service waits for other before moving forward. Now, when do we use it? Use synchronous communication when you need instant response. The next step depends on the previous answer. If the payment is successful, we can send dispatch information. If payment is not successful, we can send retry payment page, right? So based on this, the order system can take decision. The operation is critical and you must confirm something immediately. Now AWS services for synchronous communication, we have API gateway and we have application load balancer as well, but we already discussed about application load balancer. So in the application integration, we are actually going to concentrate on API gateway, right? So this is actually detail about synchronous communication. Now we are going to talk about asynchronous communication. Introduction.
Sorry to interrupt you. I know you guys are enjoying our video a lot because our final ultimate goal is Solution Architect Certification exam. To reach the destination, we required full videos. Path number 1, our 6-in-1 program. Our 6-in-1 program include all prerequisite skills which is needed as a cloud engineer. It include 24/7 support, lifetime update, section-wise practice test, full course practice test with tips and tricks by Bhavesh Atara, how to do exam preparation course, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Atara, and 6 AWS project with documents. Path number 2, you can enroll by paying 499 and get Hindi and English, both the languages, videos of AWS. The choice is yours how to create your success story by choosing best one. Best of luck. Thank you.